na-touch ang asawa mo kasi kinareer niya talaga ang Mother's Day para sa'yo.
The gift should really be something that will please the recipient.
Diba? Sometimes it's not the value.
Yes.
But of course, it also matters. So, eto na. Let's see.
Oh.
Who's that?
Well,
What is that, tatay?
Mother's Day gift. Pero, hindi naman ako totally ang bumili. Effort lang. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you,
Pero,
Sino naghanap?
na siya naman kinuha ko lang.
In-offer din sa akin yan, yung hot pink. Tapos sinabi ko, wag muna.
Japan, ano yan? Edition.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, sige, kwento mo na,
Oh,
tatay.
ano yung story?
Nakita niya sa Japan kasi yan. Hindi niya binili.
Why?
Kasi, well, kasi
Mahal.
nagtatampo-tampo siya nung araw na yun. Oo.
Bakit?
I don't know there.
ba?
Basta,
Nakalimutan ko na, ba't ako nagtampo?
kasi gusto niyang kunan yung dalawa doon sa park. Sabi ko, you let them be. Nag-enjoy pa yung dalawa kasi gusto niya mag-family photos ka agad.
Sige, magkwento ka lang dyan,
No,
tatay.
anyway, nagtapos niya yung araw na yun. Tapos, so nakita niya yan. Normally kasi pag meron siya nakikita na talagang gusto niya, tinatawag niya ako. That day, hindi niya ako tinawag.
Ba't di mo siya tinawag?
Kasi tatampo nga siya.
Ang natatampo yata.
Pero nakabili na kami, nabili ko na siya ng wallet. Nagulat siya na sinabi ko, ba't hindi mo binili? Kasi normally sasabihin ko,
Huwag na.
Huwag
What?
na, mahal-mahal.
mahal, bla bla
ganyan.
bla.
May cards ata.
May card?
Saan yung cards nila?
What?
You know.
Kasi go first.
Ay, ang saya naman. Ay, sorry. Ano ka?
Kasi go
Please.
I left my card at home, but I have a copy in my phone.
Okay, go.
Okay. Endless laughing nights, our imagination takes flight. Nonsense jokes that come along, nothing close to a lyrical song. Her laugh is like musical notes to my ears. Her words are there to wipe my tears. Her actions always wanting to help others and treats everyone like a sister or a brother. She is a shoulder I can lean on when I'm sad. She is an ear that is open when I tell her why I'm mad. But I don't need to explain because she completely understands without me telling her. And she explains to me when my mind is on a blur. She is beyond words. That's why this poem isn't good enough. Speechless at this point, it's getting tough. Today is a special day, so happy Mother's Day.
Beyond words ko.
At 13 na yan, Aminin mo nung 13 tayo, medyo detached ng konti. May sariling mundo kunyari.
Ang galing mo
Kakatouch. Beyond words.
Siguro went first.
Dito ko na.
Oh, sa'yo sa'yo.
Mine's a letter, not like a love.
Ay,
To my one and only mommy. Everything I am today is because of you. You are the first voice who ever sang to me. At every turn, you push me to veritably exceed in my goals. The goals that will fabricate my future into a perfect one. Mother's Day is just not the only day where people write about their mother's love for them and how hard they work for their very own children. To me, every day, I see those accomplishments you make. I may not write letters every day, but I continually thank God to bless you for more work and strength. Mom, I won't take it anymore. And I'm deeply sorry for the times I got you frustrated. Thank you for giving me chances to improve in myself. And for you, my... What? Oh, wait. For you, my only mother, I'll love you forever. I'll like you for always. As long as I'm living, my mommy you'll be.